Now this is a rectangular form of a complex number, and this is called the polar form of a complex number, discussed in our videos before. So how to get this r from a plus b iota? R is equal to a square plus b square under the, and how to get this theta from this a plus b iota? Actually, tangent theta is equal to b divided by a, and theta is equal to tangent inverse of b divided by a. Actually, this theta is called the argument of complex number. Exponential form of polar. The exponential form of polar is written as, where, for example, if we have a data of complex number in its polar form, so this polar form can be written in its exponential form as z is equal to r 5e and iota, and here we have 2 theta. Remember, if argument is in first and second quadrant, then argument is called a principal argument, and we have to measure it in anti-clockwise direction. If argument is in third or fourth quadrant, then measure it in clockwise direction. Sometimes in ETA this type of questions come that the polar form of 1 plus under root 3 iota is. There are 4 steps to solve this type of problem. Step 1. First, find the value r. Here r is a square plus b square under the root. So 1 square plus under root 3 square is equal to 2. The second step is check out the quadrant. Here we have, as we know that we have a real number on x-axis and imaginary number on y-axis. So we have a positive real and positive imaginary, so this could be in first quadrant. So quadrant is first. Now the step 3 is find out the basic angle. The basic angle can be found out as b divided by a, if it is a plus b iota as a rectangular form. So here we have under root 3 divided by 1, so tangent inverse of under root 3 is 60 degree, which can be written as pi by 3. And step 4 is write down in a polar form with a standard angle. Here we have some basic angle 60 degree, and as we know that if we are measuring a standard angle from anti-clockwise direction, so in first quadrant standard angle is equal to the basic angle as we have done before. So standard angle will be equal to the basic angle, and the polar form is 2 cos pi by 3 plus iota sine pi by 3. So if he asks that find out the polar form of -1 plus under root 3i, follow the 4 steps that we have discussed before. Step 1, find out the r as a plus b, a square plus b square under the root, which is 2. And then step number 2 is find out the quadrant, as we have here first, second, third and fourth, plus plus minus minus. Here we have x as minus and y as plus. This is in a second quadrant. 3 is find out the basic angle. So basic angle, as we have done before, b divided by a, which is equal to under root 3 divided by a, and tangent inverse of under root 3 is equal to pi by 3. Now step 4, write it in a polar form with its standard angle. So here we have some angle as pi by 3. If we measure the same angle from positive x-axis as for standard angle, so as we have discussed before, the standard angle, if we are measuring in anti-clockwise direction in second quadrant, is pi minus alpha. So in this case we have pi and minus basic angle as pi by 3. Taking LCM, we get 3 pi minus pi by 3. So 3 pi minus pi is equal to 2 pi by 3. So this is our standard angle. So write it in its polar form. We have z, and polar form is z r cos theta plus I sin theta. Here we have r as 2 cos and standard angle 2 pi by 3 plus iota sin, and again a standard angle 2 pi by 3.